Hi guys, this is a video for Intermediate Speaking Week 13, Part 2. So, this is the last video for our online class. So, I hope you enjoyed watching the videos. I got a lot of feedback from the students in the CQI that they did not like the Zoom classes. So, please to use the online video lectures. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video lectures and found them useful. Okay, so let's take a look at the rest of the chapter 8. So here is some new vocabulary before we move on in the textbook. So this is a bone. Here's a bone, the long bone, the flat bone. So these are bones, okay? Part of your skeleton, it's in your body. I think this is very easy. Heart. This is a human heart. It is a piece of your body that pumps blood through your body. Part. So this is a part, this is a part, this is a part. A part is one piece of the whole. It's small things you put together to make something. So for example, a heart is a part of your body, right? Your heart that pumps blood through your body, it's one part of your body. So you need many parts to make the whole something. Okay. Simple. This one is not simple. It's crazy. But this one is simple. It's another way to say easy, or there's not many parts. So a simple puzzle has like 4 pieces, right? 4 pieces. It's very easy. But a puzzle that is not simple has 1,000 pieces. Very difficult, right? So simple is easy, not complicated, not many parts. Healthy. This is not sick, in good condition. Healthy. This young girl is very healthy. She's eating a lot of fruits. Replace. So replace means that you take something away and you give it a new piece. So take something out, put a new part in. So for example, my car. On the front of my car, the car has bright lights. And the headlight, on one side, the headlight doesn't work. So yesterday I was driving with my husband and I said, "Oh, Peter, the light doesn't work. So tomorrow you have to take the car to the shop, to the mechanic shop, and ask him to replace the headlight." So you take out the old broken one and put in a new piece. Replace. Treatment. Treatment is what to do to become healthy. So if you have a cold and maybe you have a cough and sore throat and runny nose, the doctor will tell you, take some medicine morning and lunchtime and dinner time, and drink a lot of tea. And, take it easy. Don't be too busy. Just rest and heal. So that's the treatment. Take medicine, rest, drink a lot of water, drink a lot of tea. Okay? But if you have some serious problem, like your arm is broken, then the treatment is you must wear a cast or wear a brace, and you must not move and take some medicine, okay? So each sickness has a different treatment. Treatment is how to become healthy again, what to do to become healthy. Consider. This means to think about something. Like, I'm considering eating soup or eating pizza. Soup is more healthy, but pizza is more delicious. But I really like soup. But I have some pizza. Okay, so it means to think about something. What should I do? So consider. Consider. Let's check. Simple. Simple. Heart. Bone. Part. Replace. Healthy. Treatment. Treatment. Consider. Consider. Okay, so if you can't remember the vocabulary, it's a good idea to watch the video again. Just click back in the video and you can see it again to check your memory some more. Okay, let's go back to our textbook. So we finished this page last time. So here we talked about the words from the PowerPoint: could, may, might, and will. So in the last video, part 1, we talked about how this means maybe. It doesn't mean for sure. Okay? So let's listen and use the answers. Let me make it 0 so you can hear the speaker. Okay. Listen to the podcast about pet cloning. Write the modal that you hear. Modal is may, might, could, like this.
Page 148. Exercise A.
Cloning your cat. A good idea? In 2001, scientists at Texas A&M University cloned the first pet, CC the cat. Since then, cloning has become easier. This could mean big changes in the future. Many pet lovers might start cloning their cats or dogs. Pet cloning companies could make a lot of money. There was one problem with CC the cat, though. She and her clone did not look the same. DNA does not always control a cat's color. CC had the same DNA, but the two cats were different colors. People may not want to risk getting a different-looking pet. Also, pet cloning costs from $50,000 to $100,000. Most people won't want to spend so much money. And after all, they could just go to a shelter and get a pet for free. Finally, many other people won't like the idea of cloning because animals may get hurt. What do you think?
Okay, so let's go ahead and check the answers. So, this could mean many pet lovers might. Pet cloning companies could make a lot of money. Okay, the cats were different colors. People may not want to risk. Okay. Most people won't. And after all, they could. Finally, many people won't. May. Okay. There we go. So all of those are talking about something in the future that might not happen. So they use these, when you hear these words, there is a hidden secret message that what the sentence says is only maybe. It's not 100% for sure. Okay, so let's skip to the next. We're gonna skip this one. Okay, so here is the vocabulary that you heard in the PowerPoint a little bit earlier. So this is talking about some science news article. 3D body parts. Scientists say they can now print live body parts in 3D printers. If you need a new arm or leg bone, for example, Doctors might soon be able to replace yours with one from a 3D printer. They also might be able to print an organ, such as a stomach or a heart. Okay, so that's really interesting. I think that's very cool. And the next article says, new treatment to help you see. Do you know someone who is blind or has poor vision? A new treatment is now available. It is helping many people to see again. Consider the changes it could bring to their lives. For more information. Okay, and the last article, cheap DNA tests. Are you going to be healthy in the future? Find out with a cheap DNA test. Learn about your DNA for just $100. Several companies will do a simple test for you. Soon after, they will send you the results. With this information, you can learn about your genes. You can see if you are healthy. You can also research your family and find cousins you didn't know about. For more information, ... Okay, so write the correct word to complete each sentence. Let's do this. When I was skiing, I broke a in my leg. I think it is bone. I broke a bone. Please, the job. We think you are perfect for it. Consider. Please think about the job. Please think about doing this. Because we want you to take it. So please consider it. I passed the biology test. A few questions were hard, but mostly they were very not hard. Simple. Aspirin is a common for headaches and other pain. A common treatment. What to do to become healthy. Take aspirin. Aspirin is like ibuprofen or Tylenol. So in the USA, people often have Tylenol or ibuprofen just at home. You don't have to go to the pharmacy. Everybody has it at home. So if you have a headache or if you fall down and hurt your arm, you can just take some medicine and it's very easy. Okay, number 5. Usually Javier is but this week he's sick. So not sick is healthy. I need to buy a few before I fix the car. Small piece of the car to change parts. I just ran 5 miles. My heart is beating very fast. And the refrigerator in the lab is old. We need to get a new one. We need to replace it. Okay, awesome. All right, so that will be all that we will do from the textbook. We will be finished with the textbook. So you guys should know a little bit more about listening for opinion. If you hear like, I think, you know that it's not true, it's only maybe. And there is some really interesting information about some possible future breakthroughs that you can use for your group presentations. And you learned about how to talk about future breakthroughs in the future using maybe, could, might. So maybe your future breakthrough is that there will be space travel. So people can travel to the Mars and to the moon. And so the future breakthrough might mean we have more space because many people move to another planet. So we will have more space here. But it could mean more problems with pollution because the space aircrafts use a lot of fuel and they make a lot of smoke for our environment. Okay, so that's one example, but during this chapter you learned some very useful things that you can use in your group presentations. So, alright guys, that's all I have for your online classes. I want to give you a little more time today to work on your group presentations. don't forget to look for the listening test. Remember, we have 2 weeks left after this class, and usually the listening test is last and group presentation is next week. But because we can meet together, we changed. So the listening test is now next week, and group presentation is the last week of class. So next week, you have a listening test. You should go to LMS to check the listening test. And on LMS, there is an important announcement that will explain about the listening test and give you many details about the listening test for next week. Okay? So please learn about your listening test, look at the announcement, and work on your group presentation. Okay? All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.